Good afternoon from Western Material Handling. It's Dennis and Kyle. Today we're looking at number D21024. It's a 1999 Daewoo 6,000 pound pneumatic. This forklift is equipped with a 187-inch triple mast, side shift, solid pneumatic tires, new paint. This runs the 2.7 liter Hercules LP gas engine. Cal's going to run it up 187 inches in the air. This forklift has all new LP parts, new tune-up, quite a bit of additional work showing us the tilt. And side shift. Great low lift, great buy for the money for a 6,000 pound pneumatic. Used forklift like this come to Western Material Handling in Denver or Fort Collins. Check us out on the web, abetterforklift.com. Thank you.